I still hear you, even though I told you to keep quiet, but you won't. There's 1,000 reasons I can't go on about my day. I can't ignore the noises I wish would go away. Whoa. Your constant voices still ringing in my ear. I'm trying not to listen because you won't keep talking. I fear every time I tell you guys to stop bothering me with these calls. I'm sorry, children, I'm done with this once and for all. I've heard enough venting. This is nothing new. You can go on with all that noise, 'cause Mama's done with you. Take it to the unknown. Take it to the unknown. Take it to the unknown. What do you want? Oh, for goodness sake, are you here to bother me when I said to go away? Or are you the one that's not listening to me? Who keeps waking me when I'm trying to sleep? Every day you keep on trying, my head's about to implode. Don't you know I hold the key to your fun and joy? So take it to the unknown. Take it to the unknown. Take it to the unknown. Are you still here? Do you hear me? Can you feel me? What do I have to tell you? Go now, leave me alone, 'cause then I won't hear you.